Samkelo Kuzwayo, who lives in Hammarsdale, was overjoyed when his partner gave birth to a healthy little baby girl at a clinic on the 24th of February. The 27-year-old father says a day later, their joy turned to nightmare. On the day that his partner and little Abenathi were to be discharged from the Mlondi clinic, a doctor had drawn blood from the baby. That night at home, the first time Mum told him that Abenathi was crying uncontrollably throughout the night and that she couldn't tell what was wrong. His mum, the baby's grandmother, said it was only the next day that the clinic staff noticed that a surgical glove was still tied around the baby's wrist. By then, Abenathi's hand was swollen and turned colour from a lack of blood circulation. She says, I went to the clinic to see the newborn child and her mother in the morning. Because she was born around 7, I was there at Mlondi at 11. I was waiting with them as they were told that she was to see the doctor so that she will know if she was going to be discharged. The doctor arrived and took blood samples from the baby and left a surgical glove that was wrapped around the child's hand. The hand turned black, but that was not noticed on the day. It was only noticed the following day. Kuzwayo says he was beside himself with worry. He says, when I called the mother of my child, she told me that this was getting serious as they were being transferred to RK Khan Hospital because the child had a complication after the doctor took a blood sample. The doctor left a plastic glove on the child's hand. That caused the hand to be swollen and the hand couldn't move. It's painful because this affected me at work, as I was stressed and worried about them in hospital. Kuzwayo says medical staff said that his daughter's hand was in danger of being amputated, and staff at the clinic admitted to them that it was due to negligence. Kuzwayo and his mum are also questioning why Abenathi had to undergo a blood test when she was in good health. Abenathi was later transferred for specialist treatment to the Victoria Mhlongo, formerly King Edward Hospital in Durban. She was discharged after 3 weeks, but Kuzwayo says there are still complications and that there's a risk Abenathi might never have the full use of her hand. The health department was asked for comment 3 weeks ago and said at the time that they couldn't comment immediately, that they needed to verify what transpired, but that the matter was escalated to higher authorities. KwaZulu-Natal, in its last financial year, reported that it had medical negligence claims of 29 billion rand, the highest in the country. Renee, Heine, SABC News, Durban.